In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the Modern Warfare 3 DirectX Unrecoverable error. Now the first thing we want to do is either open up your Steam or Battle.net, depends on where you have the game downloaded. If it's on Steam, you want to right click on the game, properties, installed files, and verify integrity of game files. If it's on Battle.net, you want to find the game, and then what you want to do is you want to click on the options button and scan and repair. Now after you've done that, what you want to do is you want to come to File Explorer. In here you want to open up Documents, find Call of Duty, and delete the Players folder. So simply just delete this one, and once you've done that, it's going to regenerate itself when we launch the game later. Then the last step you want to do is you want to right click on your desktop, go to Display Settings. In here you want to scroll down until you find Graphics Settings. In Graphics Settings, what you want to do is you want to add the game right here. So choose Desktop App, Browse, then you want to find the Call of Duty.exe. Now it depends on if you have it installed on Steam or on Battle.net, but you're just going to find where the launcher is. If you have it on the desktop, you can right click on it and open the file location. And once you've done that, you want to choose it and go to Options and make sure you choose High Performance for your Call of Duty. Now once you've done that, try and restart your PC and then it should hopefully work. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.